money. We all can agree that money is an essential need in order to survive. You probably ask yourself once or twice, will I be rich or poor? In a world of uncertainty, no one knows for sure. But in this episode, we can at least give you a better perspective of which direction you're going based on your lifestyle. Welcome to How to Be. In this episode, or shall we say in this personality test, we're going to help you know if you're going to be rich or not. Which direction are you heading? The poorhouse or a mansion on a hill? Find out if you are upper, middle, or lower class according to your riches or the wealth you own. This quiz will assess you based upon your schooling, house size, the kind of cars you drive, and more. Now, this may disappoint some or it may seem too materialistic to others, but the result will actually apply to the adults who control the purse strings rather than their kids, who haven't really made much or maybe any money of their own yet. And as we always say, the stronger the roots, the taller and bigger the tree. All you have to do is just answer these 10 questions. And for each question, you will have the choice of 3 answers, A, B, or C. For a more accurate result, please choose one of them and don't think twice. Just answer with the first thought that comes to mind. For each answer, you get points. Let's start with the 10th question first. Here's the score key. If you choose A, that gives you 10 points. If you choose B, then that will give you 20 points. C is worth 30 points. Keep track of your points. Better prepare a pen and paper ready so that we can tally that at the latter part of this video. Number 10. How big is your house in size? A. Less than 500 square feet. B. 2,000 to 4,999 square feet. C. 10,000 plus square feet. I have a high-end apartment. Number 9. What kind of car do you or your parents or siblings drive? A. An old Honda. Buick. Cheap Ford. We can't afford a car. B. A Land Rover. High-end Ford. Lexus. Chevy. Cadillac. Volvo or Jeep. C. High-end Mercedes. Rolls-Royce. Porsche, Bugatti, Ferrari, and Aston Martin. Number 8. What kind of school did you study in? A. I didn't go to school. B. Our family moved so I could go to the best public school in the area. I was homeschooled. C. Private school, prep school, or a boarding school. Number 7. What kind of college did you study in or are planning on going to? A. College? No way! No one has ever gone in my family, and that will likely never change. B. A cheap 2-year college, state university, or somewhere on scholarship. C. Ivy League all the way. Number 6. How many times and where do you go for vacations? A. Never, unless you count walking to the grocery store. B. I go once a year to a family reunion, and sometimes we go on vacation someplace close. C. I'm jetting off to an international destination almost every weekend. Number 5. Do you own more than one home or vacation houses? A. Are you kidding? We can barely afford our regular house. B. We have been talking about getting a cottage in the vacation spot we have been visiting since I was born. C. Yes, 3 or more. Number 4. Where do you usually shop? A. I get hand-me-downs or clothes from thrift stores. B. I shop at Old Navy, JCPenney, and higher-end stores when there are sales. C. I only wear designer labels. Burberry, Kate Spade, Lacoste, Lilly Pulitzer, Ralph Lauren, Jimmy Choo, Stuart Weitzman, and Chanel. Number 3. Did you have any hired help like maids, drivers, butlers, etc. while growing up? A. No way, we could never afford that. B. Yes, but only because it is necessary. It is still hard to afford. C. Yes, several staff. Number 2. Do you have your own boat? A. No, we could never afford it. Or, I live on a houseboat. Or, I fish for a living and require a boat. B. Yes, a small, cheap one. C. A huge, wildly expensive yacht. And number 1. Do you think you are rich? A. No, not at all. B. No, I think I am middle class. C. Yes, I'm almost sure. Alright, tally your scores. If your score is between 100 and 160 points, you would be living in saving mode, or in other words, you might find it a bit difficult, or it will take you greater time to stabilize yourself financially. Even then, some of the simple luxuries in life would seem like a commodity to you. But don't let that get you down or stop working hard to reach your goal. The time will come when you get to tick everything off your bucket list. If your score is between 170 to 230 points, you are in somewhat a comfortable spot. You will always have just enough money to pay your bills or eat out, give your kids a decent education, have a family car, and buy good quality things. Therefore, you will sometimes invest money. Yay! And if your score came to 240 and 300 points, congratulations, you are rich. If money means the world to you, then you are in for a sweet ride. In other words, you have enough to keep spending, and still you may leave some for your future generations to soak in as well. And if you invest into some sweet stocks, voila! Who knows? The future generations of your direct generations may have enough to splurge as well. What was your final score? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, share this personality test with your friends and let them see for themselves. You know how we can jumpstart your road to financial success? Like right now? Watch another video from How to Be 3 delicious and easy meals in less than 15 minutes, so that you can prep these yummy meals and lessen spending money on expensive restos. Subscribe to How to Be and click the bell icon for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for tuning in to How to Be, and see you in the next video.